Samsung's latest Galaxy Z Flip 3 is by far one of the best flipping phones out there. The phone features a sleek and gorgeous design both from inside and outside. Though the display is already protected by the Gorilla Glass Victus, you need to ensure some extra bit of protection for this gorgeous display. Besides, the phone has no protection rating against dust or such particles, so you can easily understand the necessity of using a protector. There are already so many screen protectors available in the market to fit your Galaxy Z Flip 3, and for your ease, we have rounded up the top 5 best screen protectors for your Galaxy Z Flip 3 in one handy guide. So without further ado, let's get started. An ultra-thin glass to fit perfectly with your Galaxy Z Flip 3's display. Meet the ArmorGen screen protector that can deal with external scratches and impacts. This premium quality protector is built from strong polyethylene terephthalate material, and it is abrasion and oil resistant. The glass does not attract fingerprints, so your display will always remain crystal clear. The soft built material gives a smooth silk-like touch experience without any delay issues. It comes with an innovative 2-section design, 4-layer, which lets you easily install the protector without any bubble inside. Even if there is bubble, keep your Flip 3 in a place for 24 hours and the bubbles will disappear. So overall, with soft yet durable material, the ArmorGen screen protector is ready to suit your Galaxy Z Flip 3.
Foldable
display seems more vulnerable than any other components in the Flip 3, and you can completely shield it with the Bolle X3 protector. This hydrogel protector is highly sensitive and covers the entire screen of your smartphone. Its thinness ensures excellent transparency, yet protects from all sorts of dust and scratches. With this screen protector, you will get the exact hand feel of using a mobile phone, and it does not affect the screen resolution and clarity or the original phone image quality. Besides, you will get the same vibrant colors that you would get without the screen protector. You can easily install the protector by yourself. Just clean the surface of your Flip 3 with an alcohol pad and place the protector carefully. Imagine your beautiful Flip 3's display filled up with bumps and scratches. You wouldn't want that to happen, right? Then get yourself introduced with the Whitestone Dome Silk Protector. Equipped with self-healing technology, the protector is chemically designed to buffer nearly all abrasions and automatically disappears dents and scratches. Once you install this screen protector on your Z Flip 3, you can have a safe, clean screen for a longer period of time. The glass comes with EPU film coating, which is way more fingerprint resistant than TPU films. So no matter how heavy user you are, the protector is sure to protect your screen from finger scratches. So if you want superior display protection for your Galaxy Z Flip 3 with excellent optimal screen clarity, the Dome Silk Protector from Whitestone can be a very good choice. Samsung's new Flip 3 comes with IPX8 water resistant rating, but due to its foldable hinge design, the phone's display is extremely vulnerable to dust. If you want your display to stay protected, the Elixir Z Flip 3 screen protector can get your job done. The protector comes with 2 screen protectors for protecting both the front and cover display of your Galaxy Z Flip 3. This screen protector has maximum endurance capabilities and endures most of the impacts. Moreover, protecting your display is not enough, as you would want to have clear visibility every time. And the Elixir screen protector is so thin that it does not hinder your smartphone use by clouding the screen or decreasing the sensitivity of the touchscreen. You won't even notice the protector while using your smartphone. All in all, getting the Elixir screen protector for your Galaxy Z Flip 3 can offer extreme protection for your Z Flip's display. Last but not least, we have the Ring K Z Flip 3 screen protector, which is undoubtedly the best protector glass to fit your smartphone screen. Designed to ensure maximum protection from bumps and scratches, it is built from high elasticity polyurethane material. This elastic screen stays firmly in one place even when your Flip 3 is folded too often. Besides, the self-healing protective coating preserves the quality of your display even after a long time usage. The case is composed from multiple structured layers to give you a more enhanced foldable AMOLED touch experience. Moreover, the highest quality urethane material is sure to give you an optically enhanced film for crystal clear viewing. Besides, the protector does not create any bulkiness and is compatible with any Z Flip 3 cases. So if you want to get the best out of this beautiful AMOLED display, certainly the Ring K Z Flip 3 screen protector will be the best of choices. So that was all about the top 5 best screen protectors for Galaxy Z Flip 3. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.